How to fix Robinhood login issue. Having trouble logging into Robinhood? Let's fix that fast so you are not missing any market action. Start by heading to the Robinhood login page and double check that your email and password are typed correctly. It's super common to miss a character. If you recently changed your password, make sure you are not using an old one saved in your browser. Still not working? Click Forget Your Password and follow the steps to reset it. You will receive a verification email, so check your spam or junk folders if it does not arrive. Also, make sure two-factor authentication codes are being entered correctly and have not expired. If the login page won't load at all, clear your browse cache or try switching networks. It could be a firewall issue. Comment if your login still won't work. I'll help you troubleshoot it further. And if this video helped, hit the like button, share it, subscribe and leave a comment. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.